Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor. So, back out here at it again in the northwest Las Vegas Valley, master plan community called Skye Canyon. So the name of this neighborhood is Pinewood by Pulte Homes, which is now owned by American West. We have 4 models to view. However, you have a total of 6 floor plans to choose from. This floor plan that we're looking at today is the Stella. The asking price is $439,880. Okay, it is 2,191 square feet. It is 3 bedrooms with a den and a 2-bath, 2-car garage. But as you can see, this one is a 3-car garage, so that's what the option is here. Okay, so let's just pretend if you wanted an extra garage, all this would be an upgrade. If you didn't, all this would be gone. You would just have this 2-car garage. It just would be flat. Now this one has 3 different elevations to pick from. You also have a few color schemes that you can pick from that elevation. But now keep in mind with elevation, it's going to be determined based upon what's across the street from you that has been picked. So keep in mind a couple things. You may not be able to get the elevation that you want. You may not be able to get the color scheme. Okay, and the home may be in reverse, so you may be paying more money, but you don't have a choice. We're about 70, I'm gonna say we're about 10% sold. I don't want to say we because I don't represent the builder, but just letting you know. So if you're gonna get in, early bird gets the worm. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk straight back here. So we got 12 by 24 inches on the tile. We do have some pretty long hallways here, so it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 feet wide. As we come right on in, as you can see. Now, disregard the music and the loud talking on the back, so I'm going to try to talk as loud as I can, so that way I don't get demonetized. So now I'm going to take you guys back to the front. We're going to start off in the front. We're going to break it all down. A couple things as we come back down this hallway here, you do have this tray ceiling, right? That is a structural upgrade, so you can do it here or down here. So we have a 9-foot ceilings, all right, 8-foot doors. Beautiful chandelier. We're going to start off here on this side, right here. So as you enter, you have 2 bedrooms here, okay? All right, it's a little bit more quiet now here, which is great. So we have a queen-size bed. And this first bedroom right here is going to be 10 by 11. I'm sorry, 12 by 11. Okay, so this is a decent size. Now, the garage is going to be on this side here if you added the garage. Now, let's take a look here. Not bad. What you doing here, fool? Hey, I got you on camera too, dude.
I felt like I was breaking somebody's house.
So this bedroom right here, this one is going to be 11 by 10, so it's a pretty decent size bedroom too as well. Again, we have a queen size bed. So it looks like on this one, the way that they spec this one out, oh, you know what, this is pretty interesting. They added a plug here and a plug on that side for that light fixture. This is a pretty large room, believe it or not. Okay. Let's take a look here. Walk-in closet. So we got our transfer grills here that takes you into the returns. These are the 20 by 20s it looks like. Here's your bathroom. Now I believe on this bathroom configuration you can just do a regular a shower versus a tub shower combo. So this is a fiberglass 4-piece, and this looks like Korean here. Yep. Get the medicine cabinet. Again, we got Korean with a 4-inch backsplash, and this looks like a cast iron. No, plastic sink. Okay. So you got your thermostat here. Now typically what you're going to notice is that the return, this is where all the hot air comes, right? They always have the thermostat right next to it. Because once you set it at 772, this is the hottest point, hottest area of the house. Once all the cool air starts coming through here and it reaches the temperature saying 72, then it kicks off. And that also works in reverse, heating and cooling. So let's come down this hallway here. We got orange peel texture. You got a 1/2 inch on the bull nose. You do have an option to do a straight edge cornering if you wanted to. The baseboards here are, looks like a 6-inch baseboards. These are not the standard baseboards. Now, coming into the den here. Now the den, or what we call the flex room, this one, it says it's 17 by 10. I don't know if the flex room is 17 by 10. Typically, you know what, the flex room would be 17 by 10 because flex room here comes all the way out to here. Okay, so all this would be gone, right? However, you do have the option from that flex room to turn this into the den, which is the den now, or you can turn this into the 4th bedroom. What I would do is do the 4th bedroom, because if you do the 4th bedroom, this wall right here, let me see if I can bring this back. This wall right here gets pushed out over here, right? Then you can put your tub, shower over here. Now, what happens is you lose this door space because this comes in a little bit more, right? But I think there's going to be more of a value here because now you have that option where you can still use that as a den. You take off the door, right? Use this as the office or a 4th bedroom if you need to. But I mean, as long as you still have a 3-bedroom, you're fine. Just never get a home with a 2-bedroom. So on this option configuration, what you see is pretty much standard, minus the washer, the dryer. But you can definitely put upper and lower cabinets with the sink as well. So again, we have our 36-inch on the smart panel box. I'm not going to open that panel box. If you want to know what's in it, go back to the first video of the park lane that I just did. I'll have that in the link in the description below. ADT alarm system. This is a upgrade. Here's your 2-car garage, but this is locked. You got your 6-panel door. You got your chrome fixtures. Okay. Now on this spec, you can tell that the builders, what they did was they laid the baseboards first, then they tiled around the baseboards, which a lot of builders do that because it's cost effective and more efficient when bringing the trades in. You should always have the floors underneath the baseboards. Now, let's take a look at this countertop here. So we have a 1-inch granite countertop, solid piece, which is really nice. I do like that. I don't know if I'm liking the color with the brown cabinets. Brown is just not my thing. So it looks like we have a full overlay cabinets. Now you have a stainless steel undermounted sink with a front apron, which is really nice. Got your pool handles. Okay. So you got your gourmet package appliances on here. So you have your 36 Whirlpool. You can upgrade to the KitchenAid. That's going to be a little bit more. You can got your convection. On this one, it looks like you got your 36-inch upper cabinets, not the 42s. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm sorry, it is 36 because the crown kind of threw me off. You have another 3-inch crown. Isn't that crazy where this is so genius? I just thought of this, and this makes sense because I literally got fooled and I literally had to count how many inches on this one. So if you take a look, this is really a 36-inch, but they gave you the illusion to the 42 because they added that 3-inch crown right there. That's crazy. Smart idea. Smart idea. Also, give me a thumbs up too as well. Definitely helps the algorithm. At least give me 500 likes, man. That's all I'm asking for. 500 likes. HOAs. HOAs are $140 a month. There are SIDS and lids to the property. I don't know what the balance is, but you're going to pay biannually of $400. So basically every 6 months is, I believe, it's $400. Now you do have the option for the built-in refrigerator here. Okay, this one is not the built-in refrigerator. We know is not included. Backsplash not included. Now you do have the option for the soft closing cabinets and the cabinetry as well. This one right here is the standard right here, side glides with the MDF staples, fast closing cabinets. You can't get that nowhere. Did we open the pantry? I don't remember. Lost my train of thought. I think we did. Now you can also extend this island too as well. Alright, let's take a look at this. Okay, so the dining area, okay, dining area is probably a 12 by 10, so it's also a decent size. Now, you do have that control joint right here, which is really nice. This slider, 6-foot slider, that's an upgrade, folks. And that, again, that's going to be vinyl, almond color. Then this looks like your standard slide here, and this slide right here is a 12-foot slide. So this is what you're going to get standard. Now you have an option to do the 12-foot 3-panel slide all the way across. Now this is cool too, because you open up this way, open it up this way. So let me know what you guys prefer. Now if you guys want to see what that slide looks like, go back to the Park Lane model and I'll show you guys what that looks like, okay? Now let's go into this master bedroom here. Wow, so as soon as you walk into the master bedroom, you have the bathroom here off to the right, and I believe you have an option to put a door here. I'm not too sure if I'm feeling this or not. So we have a sink here. Ooh, look at this. See, this is what you need to look out for. Now, and I talked about this, when you do your final walkthrough, you got to run your fingers all the way across here. Good learning lesson, because according to the contract, when you do your orientation, your final walkthrough, once these are chips, they will not come back to replace it. Okay? You should be doing that on all the corners here too as well. Okay? So this is a Petrofina. Very nice. Now let's come up on this side right here. Nice. Walk-in closet. Decent sized walk-in closet. I mean, they definitely utilize the space for sure. And I love this little built-in right here. That's kind of cool. And then you got your valet. Not your valet, your water closet, you big dummy. Now, take a look at this. 0 threshold. You walk in. Okay, cool. Now, wouldn't this make more sense to open this thing up? Is just to have all this glass right here. So that way it just makes the bathroom look a lot bigger. Don't you think? Let me know in the comments below. Who knows? You got a second thermostat here. Then you have your transfer duct. So this is actually a duct work that runs all the way down to the return line. Ooh, large. Large. Nice. I love this large bedroom here. Definitely a decent size. I mean, look at this. Nice and bright. I do love this. However, you definitely do need some, what do you call them? Curtains or some blinds for sure. Oh, well, why is the gimbal looking all crooked now? Okay, come on now. Alright, let's go outside. And let's see what outside is all about. Let's go to the covered patio here. Never liked these aluminum slides. I mean, these almond slides. Don't like the color. I like that bright white. Now, we talked about this. If you do have the option to go from almond to bright white, that's also going to change the color of the inside of your home. So depending on if you want more of a neutral color or if you're going for a modern color, you're probably going to want to go with the bright white. So that way when you do the interior design, your baseboards are also bright white, your doors are bright white. It just pops that much more. So I feel like the average lot size here is going to be roughly about 5,500 square feet. Now, I have a few clients that were bidding over here. You got to do a bidding war now, which is stupid because the market is just so crazy right now. The way that Pulte has it is if there's a lot of interest in one lot because they release like 3 or 4 lots at one time, if there's an interest, then what happens is if the lot is $10,000 starting, right? Some of the lots here will be about 10 to 15 grand. Then at that point, you're going to have to do a bid. How much more are you willing to pay for the lot premium? And believe it or not, in the contract, it says that lot premiums are at the discretion of the builder. So they can set the lot premium at any price. So quick tip, if you're going to negotiate, right, with the builder, never negotiate the price off the base price. They will never let you do that. You got to hit them on a different angle. Boom, boom, boom. And how you do that is basically with the lot premium. But unfortunately, it's very tough now because just the way the market is, okay? It's, if you don't buy it, they don't care. They have people buying it already. And also the other thing to get your offer accepted is they want you to be approved through them, okay? Guys, let me know what your thoughts are about this property. Give me a thumbs up too as well. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.